the vlog, this week's vlog anyways, a trip to Tim Hortons on January the 1st, because, you know, every Canadian has to start their morning with a coffee. I just came back from Shoppers. I had to get a few things, last minute things, before I go to my family's, and then I had to go to the bank, get some cash. Now I'll be heading to Tim Hortons, so I'll see you guys there. And here is Wendy's, right next to Tim Hortons. And we're going to Tim Hortons to get a coffee. A medium double. I said, you know, every Canadian starts off their day with a coffee from Tim Hortons. I used to be a McDonald's kind of guy. You guys all remember those vlogs back then? I used to like rave about McDonald's coffee. I don't know. I think it's because now McDonald's is screwing up on my coffee, and I'm going to Tim Hortons back. Because, oh, the $3 Dave single. That's a good deal. Makes me want to go get one. Go get some Dave single. Yeah, so as I said, I think it's because McDonald's is now screwing up on my coffee. So now I'm going back to Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons coffee tastes way better now. I don't know if that's because they noticed that Chatham 12 hasn't been to their establishment. They're like, well, we gotta make that coffee great for him again. So we're here at Tim Hortons. So you see, Tim Hortons, it's quite busy. And the convenience is way over there. I'm walking home after grabbing some coffee, because you gotta have coffee, like I said. And then I'm gonna go home and eat something, maybe a grilled cheese or something, because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten yet, and I'm starving. Haven't eaten anything since 9 o'clock last night. I've tried to do the intermittent fasting, because I heard it's the best way to lose weight, and it's been working, you know, for a couple of days. You know, like, it's been hard in the first, because I've had like times that I wanted to eat like 11 o'clock, because I'm, you know, so used to having like a snack at 11 o'clock at night. But now it's like I'm holding myself off from eating so I can, you know, last until the next day. And I've done a lot of research on intermittent fasting, and it's like 16 hours, I think, no eating. I mean, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what I read. So I'm gonna go home, eat something, and I'll talk to you guys when I get home. So let's go. Families for a dinner, like a New Year's dinner, let's say. Not a Christmas dinner, but a New Year's dinner. We're gonna have some turkey tonight, mashed potatoes, stuffing, a whole bunch of good stuff. because I feel like the holidays is the days that you eat a lot, you know, and then the New Year, that's when you start, you know, your New Year's diet, as they say. But me, it's not a diet. I've called it a lifestyle change. Just change your lifestyle. Because I always felt that a diet, you know, people set a goal to lose like 50 pounds, and once they kind of hit that 50 pounds, it's like they automatically stop dieting, and then they go back to their old lifestyle. And I always feel like that a lifestyle change is way better. That way, you're changing your lifestyle, and you're not totally changing everything that you eat, but you eat in moderation. So it's a lifestyle change rather than a diet. So I just wanted to vlog a bit outside, but it's cold today. So cold in the country. Ooh, I think I'm gonna go back inside. It's too cold for me. Back squad. So right now I just got done my newspapers. I have like 3 routes for 1 paper, and then I have another 2 more routes for tomorrow. So it's gonna be a very busy day tomorrow, but at the same time it's gonna be a busy day today. A lot of papers, and I had to go get a coffee because I need a coffee really bad. After doing papers, it's a bit on the chilly side today, so needed something to warm up with, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not sure what else I'm going to be doing today other than the newspapers. I uploaded last week's vlog today, so if you guys still haven't checked out that vlog, that link will be in the description. So as always, check it out and let me know what you guys all think. So I'm out doing newspapers, and now I'm going to the convenience store that I normally go to all the time. You guys know that. I would have done this route Thursday, but I had started a new route, so I got the new route done first. Surprising, because I normally like to go into the convenience store, the Lucky 7 variety. Go get a drink, and then maybe a pepperette. I normally buy pepperettes. It's beautiful today. And I just got done doing an Insta story saying about how it's strange and how I just noticed how nice it is today. And it feels like it's like March and it's technically January. The hell? Like it should be winter, not spring. But Mother Nature brings whatever weather she wants. But it's really nice. I mean, it's nice to do papers. It's not so cold, not too hot. No snow, no rain, which is good. So I'm at this Lucky 7 variety, so let's go. Came back from the convenience store. I'm having I was about to say Diet Coke. This is a Coke Vanilla, and I have to go do my local newspaper now. So I'm not done. Fortunately not. I wish I was. But as I said before, it's beautiful. You guys can see the sunshine. And tonight we're having vegetable rice for dinner, and then I had some leftover pizza we had from last night. We had Coca's. You guys gotta all try Coca's Pizza in Chatham. Whenever you guys come to Chatham, try Coca's and tell them that Chatham 12 sent you. I guarantee you guys will enjoy it. Now I'm just cooking a dinner. I got rice boiling right here with some beef stock, low sodium, or actually no salt beef stock. Just came back from Food Basics and just came back out from Tim Hortons. Grabbed myself a double. I should have grabbed some Timbits too to match with this. Double Timbits with double coffee. So just came out from Tim Hortons and Food Basics. I had to go get some things for breakfast tomorrow because we're having a breakfast tomorrow with some bacon and eggs and some toast. I got some of this healthy bread, I should say, that I want to try. It's like with honey. I'm not to show it when I get home because I really don't know what it's called. But we'll be heading home, so I'll bring you guys along with me. Well, I'll see you guys at home, so let's go. Good morning, squad. Today it is Monday, January the 7th. Kids go back to school after the Christmas holidays, and today it's actually freezing rain at this moment. It was actually snowing earlier this morning, and now it turned into freezing rain. And from what I heard over the weather network, it's supposed to turn into rain later on. That's gonna be bad weather. So I'm gonna start up the car, warm it up for my grandmother. So I'm gonna do that. Crazy out here. Now it's actually raining. There's some salt trucks that just came into the parking lot. It's crazy how cold and rainy, and you guys definitely can't hear me. Hear that wind? Wow. See, on the roads, it's all icy. Came back from Tim Hortons. We went to get a breakfast sandwich from Tim Hortons and a coffee, because I needed coffee. I woke up early and I needed something to wake me up. And I'm still a bit tired. That's why I came outside to vlog a bit, to maybe wake me up. It's too early and I'm just super tired. I think I went to bed a little late last night. It was like, I think it was like 12 or 1. I was trying to edit a review, and then I was like passing out, almost had half the review almost edited. So I was like, you know something, I'll just finish that editing tomorrow. It wasn't like the review needs to be up right away. It's tomorrow, the review day. So I'm hoping to at least vlog a little bit more throughout today, and then I have it up for you guys for tomorrow. I know the schedule for the vlogs has been kind of like not really on their day. Like, essentially my vlog should be up on Sunday, but I think throughout the holidays and me getting sick, it was like there wasn't a lot of time that I was vlogging, so I wanted to extend it all the time. So I'm not sure. At this point on, it's not going to be on Sundays. It's going to be whenever I can upload it, until I can get back on my scheduled routine for Sundays. It's just, I want to bring you guys the best content as possible, and I want to vlog like interesting things. I want to bring you guys new things on the vlog channel as much as I do on the review channel with the reviews. I want to bring things to you like unboxings on the vlog channel, so that way it gives you guys a little bit more things to watch and not always me just walking around just talking, which I'm pretty sure you guys still enjoy, because that way when I say things, when I just go walking around and I tell you guys things, most likely there's things that I've never really told you guys, and you guys always like to be updated on what's going on with my life, right? You guys like that, right? So yes, you guys are seeing snow, a little bit of snow, which is good. That's what I'm kind of looking for, like a little bit of snow that says, you know, we have a winter and it doesn't feel like spring. So I'm just gonna go for a little walk. What you guys don't see is I'm wearing shorts at this moment, and when I'm vlogging and people are looking at me and they're looking at me wearing shorts, and they're probably thinking to themselves, what is like this guy really thinking, you know, when he's wearing shorts? But what I'm thinking is, I sweat enough throughout the summertime. I just like being cold. I'm more comfortable when I'm cold. I'm not sure about you guys, but when I sleep at night, I sleep with a fan. And it's just because I'm comfortable sleeping with a fan. I need to be cold. And when I'm hot and I'm sweating and I'm super hot, of course, when I'm talking, but when I'm super hot, that's when I'm really uncomfortable and I don't really sleep well. So when I'm cold is when I'm comfortable. I'm not sure if you guys are like that. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are like me and you guys like the cold. I do at least do about 10 to 15 minute walk just to start pumping the blood, you know. I think that's why when I walk I get a little bit, you know, warm, is because when you're walking your blood is pumping through your body, that it kind of keeps you warm. And I think that's why that my legs are never cold. Like, a lot of people are like, isn't your legs cold? Because because I'm wearing shorts, and I'm like, no, not really. So I think it's because when you're walking, your blood is pumping through your body and keeps my legs warm. I like it. So I'm going to wrap the vlog right here, but I hope you guys all enjoyed this week's vlog. As always, if you guys did and you guys want to see more vlogs like this one, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe as always. Don't forget to turn on my post notification on so you never miss a vlog. All my links, my social media will be in the description. So do follow me as always on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming vlogs. So until next week, hope you have yourself a great week, and I'll see you then. Peace out. One thing that kind of just hit me, we're in January, so we're technically considered winter. And it feels like it's March. It feels like spring. Doesn't make sense. Walking home. Not sure if you guys can see me. I'm supposed to meet up with someone. Tim Hortons way over there. What you guys are doing tonight? Very windy today. Very cold. The other day it felt like spring. Now it's finally feeling like winter. And of course we got snow. We finally got some snow. If you guys still haven't checked out today's drink review on the Lactancia chocolate milk, I highly recommend you guys check out the review. The link will be in the bio. And as always, let me know what you guys all think. And if you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.